Check 1 2 1 2. What's going down, y'all? It's your boy Raz, man. We back with another one the way I see it. I want to get into this squash video. I know Brody been all in the news and shit lately, and all that. But that ain't what we here for. We here for the music. So, I've been listening to squash a lot recently, and I didn't even realize that I was really listening to Brody. Like, he got a song that come on all the time, or it must have been on my suggested or something, but it always pop up, and I start liking it, just listening to it all the time. But then I heard the news, like I said, all the stuff that's going on in the news and shit, and realized that was who I was listening to. So, I've been looking up Brody, listening to a couple things, and I came across this today. I think it just came out. Yeah, it said 1 day ago, so maybe it came out yesterday or some shit. But let's get into it. Let's see what it's in for.
Yeah, I want to frighten me. My friend done pussy, I'm a girl like to me. Things not surprising, nothing to frighten me. Nothing to frighten me. Been through this time and I shake. What if make me weak, me no see, bro. That him a take charge for my ass. Hey, mommy, them want to see me dead, how you manage. But your son, I got no heart because I'm damaged. Nothing to change all when me there for it. Swear, everywhere me go, me carry the double barrel. Eyes open, me no trust nobody. Me know I'm in a scene, pain when me carry. So me fi dead and yanty fi got college. Them thing I make me tougher. Fire link with certain boy and certain girl, me not go trust. So when they raise a panic, got to higher rise and one fi dot you. So me keep me guard them up. Fire enough shot I touch you. Flames in my eye, pain in my cry. Me pray for every brain me fly. Every rifle up, enough shot me buy. Now give them chance to come take my life. When I feel the same nice star. On the top of me, I meds like me frost and tip some rum for my rifle. When them I try to white tea, none of them pussy they can't make me frighten. Shot a thump in a face, broke teeth, my ties. Rat while let the people them bite you. Bore up belly like lipo. Man 6 bars, no pussy to me title. Tiny flames in my eye, pain in my cry. Pray that protect your boy. Watch over me through the darkest times. I'm a laser beam, I hit a shine a light. Hey, mommy, them want to see me dead, how you manage. But your son, I got no heart because I'm damaged. Nothing to change all when me there firing. Swear, everywhere me go, me carry the double barrel. Eyes open, me no trust nobody. Me know I'm in a scene, pain when me carry. So me fi dead and yanty fi got college. Them thing I make me tougher. Fire link with certain boy and certain girl, me not go trust. So when they raise a fan, they got to higher rise and one fi dot you. So me keep me guard them up. Fire enough shot I touch you. Flames in my eye, pain in my cry. I pray for every brain me fly. Every rifle up, enough shot me buy. Now give them chance to come take my life.
Okay. So, yeah, that was a little bit different than what I was expecting. Cause the song that I listened to a lot, I can't think of the name of it. I was like, maybe it'll pop up or something. But oh, there you go, Don Dada. So like, if you know this song, versus what we just listened to, there's a big difference. Yeah, I'm assuming bro made this song before all the bullshit that's going on right now. You know what I'm saying? But that shit don't come out of nowhere. You know what I'm saying? If you live in a certain type of lifestyle, then the shit it's a reoccurring thing. You're gonna go through a lot of highs and a lot of lows, a lot of low lows. So I could see this also being a vein for somebody who is a street affiliate. But yeah, that was cool, man. I don't really know what to say about it other. It seemed like. I'm assuming that was his mom and his daughter in there because he was talking about them in the song, So I'm assuming that he's just kind of showing the family side or the, just the real life side of shit. So, yeah, man, that was cool, man. That was Squash Flames in My Eyes. Man, yeah, it's a lot of hurt in the streets, man. I'm telling y'all, again, if you ain't got to do that shit, man, stay up out of there. You know what I'm saying? Go do something productive. Find you something that you do really into. Find a passion. Something that you would do that's positive and productive, but that you would do even if you wasn't getting paid for it. And then eventually, You know what I'm saying? Eventually you turn into a bag, I'm sure of it. So yeah, man, it's your boy Raz. It's the way I see it. I'll catch y'all on the next one.